Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make your very own squishy bingo. Are you guys ready? So the first thing you need to make sure is that you have two papers. So I already folded this paper in half and then I drew my bingo and colored it with markers. Now we're ready to cut and make a squishy. Making your very own paper squishy is so much fun. As you can see, when you're cutting here, it does not need to be perfect. This way, you can practice your scissor skills. And now what we're gonna need is some glue, some tape, and paper. That's right, we're gonna put some paper in the middle. Let's start with the blue. And we wanna add some pretty good amount of glue here to make sure all the borders get glued. Done with the glue. Oh, everything is sticky. We're gonna put the crumbled up paper in the middle and the other side of baby bingo. Hold the sides. Maybe we don't even need the tape. Just a little bit. More tape. Whoa, look at this. Our very own squishy baby bingo. Oh, this baby bingo came out super cute. And I love the sounds of the squishy. Wow! Hooray! It's me as a squishy. Squishy baby bingo. Wow! Arts and crafts are just so much fun.